Alright, ready to start mounting the body. Got the body exactly where I want it. Drop the cowl down a little bit. That's perfect where it's at. Put the seat in there and sit in it, and I could chop 3 inches. I still have 4, 5, 6 inches. I still have plenty of headroom. So I'm gonna chop 3 inches off the top. Yeah, I'm sure there's many ways to chop a top, but I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna do it. I run me a string. Well, first I run the string center. This is where it's gonna come together at, right there. So I got that all the way around, and I dropped the string down 1.5 inches because I'm gonna chop 3 inches. I dropped the string down 1.5 inches. And I use this measuring tool to go all the way around, make sure I'm exactly 1.5 inches below the other mark. So I'm gonna take my yellow paint, spray that line all the way around, and then I'm gonna move the string up 1.5 inches above the line, do it, and paint another line. So that's what we're gonna do. All right, so I got my lines all the way around. I'm gonna cut the top line first. Take the top of the car off, and then I'm gonna come back and cut the bottom line. Now I measured, make sure this is 3 inches. I chose the kind of the middle because it's the squarest part, so I should be able to drop that down and it should match. Up here not so much because the front of the door is tapered, gets wider at the bottom than it is at the top. So no matter where I cut it, it's not gonna match up perfect. So I'm gonna cut the top. I'm gonna cut that, and down here make cut 3 inches out up here. That way, I have the least from there up to fix where it don't match. It's not gonna be perfect. And this piece here, I'm just gonna cut 3 inches off the top of that and go with that. So I got the body. I got it mounted there. Got it mounted there. Bent some 1 by 1 inch square tubing and tacked it to the body behind the door and in front of the door. Bolted them down to the chassis, and plus I got some mounts all the way in the back. So the 2x4 block mounts are gone now. I actually got the body bolted to the chassis. So what I could do now, since I had the doors more or less tacked on to hold the body together, I could take the doors off and chop the top, and all I got to do is take that I just got that 1 by tubing stuck in there. I'm gonna tack it to hold the top together. When I chop it, it'll stay lined up. So I'm gonna take the doors off, chop the top, set it back on, and I'm gonna chop the doors and get them fitting. Hey Red, I'm about to chop the top. What? Yep, Red, this is really happening. All right, top chopped. Looks good. We got plenty of windshield. I can see good. I can see good out the side. My hand's a long way to hit the ceiling. Yep, this will work. That'll work right there. Okay, I got a 1931 Chevy sedan, 3-inch unchopped kit. Okay, if you got a 3-inch chop, you don't want it no more, you can unchop it with this right here. Free shipping. Okay, that's what we look like with the top chop. 3 inches, 3-inch top chop. I just got it stuck together, got it tacked together, just got the doors hanging on there. Still got to make a few adjustments, get things fitting better, but fits pretty good. Not too bad for redneck. Got some adjustments to do there. Got to get that straightened out. But the top is chopped, and it's chopped about the right amount. Still got plenty of headroom. So we're looking good. We're looking good. See what it looks like from the back. Yep, I like it. I like it a lot. I'm liking it. All right, next thing we gotta do. Next thing we're gonna do is hang the doors, get the hinges made. All the old hinges wasn't no good. It was all rusted, broken in half, and all that good stuff. So we gotta make new door hinges. And since some of it mounted to wood, I gotta make some steel mounts for them to mount on. So yeah, next thing, hang the doors. Red's digging it. All right, appreciate you.